Okay, we are here at the Falls Condominiums, down here in Lake Ozark, Missouri. A place that apparently is so popular that I had to park down the road and walk because the lot and garages are full. Last time I was here with Jason, they had a Westy with Longbar MT and another Westy that was being torn out and replaced. So we're gonna see what this place is looking like now. This is the new one, but I can see it's in use, so I guess we'll do this one second. But it looks like a new Schindler 3300. Just about walk face first into a spider. Welcome to the lake. So let's go check out if the Longbar MT got modded. I don't think it did. Based on that sign, it might. All right, well, let's go down to one. Go up to 8. You can see our Longbar Westy buttons here. Get a quick view out here. Demonstrate the bumper. I don't think I've ever seen a use at your own risk sign in an elevator before. That is really something. This thing is still very cool, but I'm guessing it's not long for this world. Well, the new elevator is a better option. So why don't we go ride it and see what it's like? That's an angry looking spider up there in the corner. We'll head down to 1. Go out to 6. Probably not a good idea to put the phone and the door closed that close together because I almost hit it. Jeez. So I was trying to get my shot of the button going out and I forgot there was a luggage cart behind me. So just about died. But no, I mean, this runs very nicely. I believe this one before it was replaced was a hydro, but we just missed getting to ride it. guess they're renovating this side. That was interesting. But yeah, just based on the verbiage in that elevator, I highly doubt that the Westy is long for this world, so I'm glad I got to ride it one more time. I guess we'll have to come back here again and check on it. But for now, that's it.